court has deferred the hearing on the NEET UG paper leak case on Monday. Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud scheduled the next session for 10:30 a.m. on Monday to conclude by the afternoon and requested a copy of the Bihar police report. The court instructed the National Testing Agency to publish NEET UG 2024 results by city and center on its website, ensuring candidates' anonymity with a deadline set for Saturday afternoon. During Thursday's hearing, the petitioner's lawyer expressed not having received the CBI's status report on the investigation. The Chief Justice noted that making the report public at this stage could affect the ongoing investigation. Senior advocate Narendra Hooda represented arguments, and the Chief Justice Chandrachud clarified that the Gujarat Godhra incident is unrelated to the paper leak. He questioned the NTA about the number of medical seats, to which they responded that there are 108,000 seats. The Chief Justice stated that re-examination could only be ordered if the entire exam was compromised, which does not seem to be the case here. The petitioner argued that the NEET paper was leaked on Telegram on May 4, but the Chief Justice questioned why it would be shared publicly if leaked for money. He further inquired if the paper was leaked on May 3, given that it was solved and shared with students by May 5. The Solicitor General explained that multiple solvers in Hazaribagh collaborated to solve the paper. The Chief Justice noted irregularities seemed limited to a Patna and Hazaribagh, with links to gang member in Patna. The court will continue hearing arguments on Monday, July 22, and directed the NTA to publish the NEET UG 2024 scores while keeping its student identities confidential. The Delhi High Court has reserved its decision on a plea by Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal, accused in the Delhi excise scam case, seeking more frequent meetings with his lawyer at Tihar jail. Justice Neena Vansal Krishna reserved the verdict after hearing arguments from all parties involved. On July 8, the High Court had issued notices to Tihar jail authorities and the Enforcement Directorate in response to Kejriwal's petition. Kejriwal requested permission for 2 additional weekly video conferencing sessions with his lawyers, citing the need to discuss over 30 cases he is currently facing. Presently, he is allowed to meet his lawyers only twice a week as per the existing rules. Opposing the plea, ED's lawyer Zoeb Hussain argued that the petition was redundant since the Supreme Court had already granted bail to Kejriwal. Previously, on April 10, the Rouse Avenue Court had rejected Kejriwal's request for extended meeting time with his lawyers, prompting him to challenge the order in the High Court. On Thursday, the Patna High Court provided significant relief to teacher recruitment candidates by ordering the Bihar Public Service Commission and the Education Department to release the supplementary results for the BPSC TRE-1. Candidates had filed a petition requesting the release of these results. The initial BPSC TRE-1 results were announced in October 2023, with 2,773 candidates passing out of 4,797 vacancies, leaving 2,024 positions unfilled. The Commission had previously stated that the remaining vacancies would be added to the second phase of teacher recruitment without issuing supplementary results for the first phase. Candidates opposed this decision and appealed to the High Court, arguing that the supplementary results should fill the vacant positions from the first phase. Hearing the petition filed by Dhirendra Kumar, the court directed BPSC and Bihar Education Department to release the supplementary results as soon as possible. On Thursday, the Delhi High Court issued a notice regarding a petition demanding 33% reservation for women lawyers in election for the Delhi Bar Council, the Delhi High Court Bar Association, and all district bar associations in the national capital. The bench, consisting of Acting Chief Justice Manmohan and Justice Tushar Rao Gadila, has sought responses from the lawyer bodies on this demand. The court will hear the next case on August 12. The notice was issued on a petition filed by advocate Shobha Gupta, who argued that the underrepresentation of women in key positions within the Delhi Bar Council and other bar associations negatively impacts women's rights and access to justice, as well as the overall effectiveness of the justice system. The Supreme Court has offered significant relief to home buyers in Noida and Delhi NCR under the subvention scheme. The court ruled that banks and builders cannot take legal action against home buyers for non-payment of EMIs or in case of bounced checks. Under the subvention scheme, banks disburse funds to builders who are then responsible for paying the EMIs. When builders fail to make these payments, banks often take action against home buyers. The Supreme Court recognized that home buyers are not at fault and should not face penalties. This ruling came during the Supreme Court's hearing of petitions challenging a Delhi High Court order that had dismissed several home buyers' pleas.